welcome back to another YouTube video. Whatever.
So basically what we're doing today is there's going to be a cup. Here's a cup. And so basically, example, there's going to be like, so what's 3 famous singers? And then we gotta grab the cup, and then we gotta say 3 famous singers, and then once we say it, then we get a point. So
Yeah,
it's basically
will be like right here, and we have to like grab it first.
But it's not fair for you. It's kind of not fair for Ramsey because like Ramsey, all she gotta do is be like, and I'm over here like, so
It's fine.
it's fine. Okay, so
So I guess we'll start. Okay, so how about you like ask the question, and then me too will do it, and then she will ask a question, then me too you.
okay, first 3. We get 5 seconds to say them. 3 singers. Shawn Mendes, Camila Cabello, and Cardi B. You said it right as my finger went down. Does that count?
I thought we were staying a countdown to do it, so I would have grabbed it first.
Huh?
No. I thought we were doing countdown.
Okay, we're redoing that round, okay? Do another question. 3, 2, 1. You didn't say a question. I know. 3 colors.
She didn't say the countdown.
Blue. Yes, I have to go 3, 2, 1. 3 colors. 3, 2, 1. Blue, purple, no. Got it.
Your face looks so small in there. Okay. Okay, Ramsey, your turn to say a question.
3 famous brands. 3, 2, 1.
Nike, Adidas, Under Armour.
Ding, ding, ding. Okay, Bella.
Okay. 3.
No. Well, you're doing that. You're like, I'm going like this.
3 universities. I did not say go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yale, Duke, and Harvard.
Too slow.
You went like this. Sorry. Just kidding. It's Yale, Duke, and Harvard.
Yeah.
Those are the Ivy League. Those are the Ivy League schools.
Yeah. Ready, Bella?
I'm not smart, so I don't know. 3 lamp companies.
What?
I don't even know one. O'Reilly, Auto Parts.
That's auto parts, not lamps.
Okay, 3 places you could get car parts. 3, 2, 1, go.
O'Reilly's, Auto Parts, and another place.
No.
O'Reilly.
No, you can't. The answer is O'Reilly's water. Ask another question because we don't even know it.
Yeah.
You guys are stupid. Just kidding. 3 places you can get groceries. 3, 2.
You did not say it.
Hold on. 3 places you can get groceries. 3, 2, 1. Look at I got this wrong.
What is it?
No! Arby's, Walmart, and Target.
You can't do it.
Arby's already up.
They don't care.
Arby's, Walmart, Target.
You can't get it on Target.
What?
Arby's, Walmart,
What?
and the
Yeah,
mall.
You can get stuff. You can get school supplies.
You can't get groceries at
Groceries mean like shopping and stuff.
groceries.
Groceries
Food.
means food,
Oh,
Ramsey.
then
Arby's, Walmart.
I already said it.
Food
I
court.
already said it. So I get that point. Okay. Your turn.
Ramsey has to ask a question.
No, it's my turn. Oh, wait. Down. Okay.
Middle, Bella, middle.
Well, that.
3 types of apples. 3, 2, 1.
Fuji, Red Delicious, and Green Apple. Granny Smith.
Yep. I wasn't even counting, Bella.
I don't care. Okay. My turn.
No, back up your hand.
3 types of... Get your hands back.
Get
your hands back. 3 types of dogs. I do not say go. Put that cup back down. 3, 2, I did not say go. I said one.
They spin me right round, baby, like a record. Okay. 3. Get your hand out. Your hand is already on the cup. Grandma, where's the cup? Grandma, where's the water? 3.
I didn't look at.
3, 2, 1, go.
Aussie bitch! This was early! Aussie bitch! I'm a shepherd and pit bull, bitch!
You were early. Doesn't count. They spin me right round, baby. Back of your hand. Okay.
Oh, nice one.
Ramsey. I farted. You didn't even hear it.
I already did it.
No, she did. It was for
Oh, fine.
Ramsey, stop it. 3, 2, 1. Nigger. Go. No, that's not fair.
Pitbull Bulldog King. Pitbull Bulldog Aussie Poo Yorkshire Terrier, a Wiener Dog, a Labrador Retriever, a Golden Doodle, a Golden Doodle, a Corgi, a Teacup
Okay,
Terrier,
Bella, we
a
get it.
Maltese,
You're way
a
better
Shih
than
Tzu.
both of us.
A Shih
Ask
Tzu
the
is a dog
question.
I'm looking at right now. A Shih Tzu.
Ask a question. Does Ramsey fart a lot? 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
The answer is no. The answer is no. The answer is no. She has explosive diarrhea. That's all. She just sharks her pants all the time.
No, she has explosive diarrhea.
Whoa! We got a winner. Why does this look like Mason's wiener and you two are us running away? Whee!